Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method upper. In Python, the upper method returns a copy of the specified string converted to uppercase. The syntax here for the method is the string underscore object followed by dot upper with opening and then closing parenthesis. And for the string method upper, there are no parameters. The string that we'll work with here is some projects require using multiple programming languages for the variable program underscore fact. So we'll run this and we can see that this is the output here. So we'll start off with a conversion. We'll first create a variable called convert underscore upper, which equals to program underscore fact dot upper. And then we'll print this output. So print new string where all letters are uppercase. And then convert underscore upper. And we can see here for the output here, it's the same string returned, but all letters here are now capitalized. So returns the specified string where all letters are capitalized. And in addition to converting it for alphabetical characters, we can have a look at what happens for empty strings. So if we have an empty string here, we print empty string dot upper. This will return nothing because there's no alphabetical characters. So return nothing as there are no alphabetical characters. And for a white space, we can create a white space string, which equals to just a single white space. And we can print white space string dot upper. And this here returns only a single white space as output. So returns only white space. So this is how to use the upper method for strings in Python to convert all alphabetical letters to uppercase.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.